Hey, I'm Philip. I'm the creator of the Hayden, Alabama podcast and also this channel, Frugal Phil. Today, I'm here to unbox and tell you a little bit about the Western Digital 5 terabyte Elements external hard drive. So let's get to the unboxing here. Get it open, and then I'm going to give you guys some more information about it. And hopefully, the main thing would be to help you make your decision. So here it is in the box, Western Digital Elements. And as you can see, 5 terabytes there at the top. I'm using this for a MacBook Pro. Being a video editor, that's just my choice. Let's get a knife. But on Amazon, it does say that it's compatible with both a Windows and a Mac. All right, booklet. The hard drive there. It is kind of heavy. Heavy duty. Cord there. Plug in with a click. And then USB 3.0 super speed cable is what they said. All right, so there's the drive. So let me tell you a few reasons as to why I bought this. So it's $124 on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description there for you, just in case this is the model that you would like to have after we talk about it. So as I mentioned, I'm the creator of the Hayden, Alabama podcast, and this is the third hard drive that I've purchased, external hard drive I've purchased, because videos they take up a lot of space. I mean, almost every file that I am editing is around 10 gigabytes, and I usually have at least 3 videos for every main video. So that just takes up all the computing space really quickly. And so these external hard drives are not only helpful for editing, but they're also helpful to offload all that, or keep all that data off your own computer and have another device to put it on. Who do I think can benefit the most? I think there's really 3 people that can benefit from a hard drive like this. I mean, number one, like me, a video creator that's looking for a solution for it to put all your pictures and videos on. Number two, if you're looking for a safe backup, maybe you don't create anything, but you do take a lot of pictures with your phone or your camera, and you want to make sure that you always have those in case of a crash. I think this is a great solution for that. And then thirdly, if you're a gamer, so Xbox, PlayStation, the games that the kids are playing now, or maybe some adults, I still play myself, are so large. The files are so large that, it's hard to get them all on your console anymore. So you can use one of these and plug it in, and that's a great solution for you. So what size is the drive? So 5 terabytes. And then let's talk about the material of it. Obviously, it's a hard plastic. Through and through. And I mentioned it was heavy, and I don't mean that it's heavy. It is a little heavier compared to this one, which I'm going to talk about in just a second, but it's still not bad. And what is the size of it? So I have a 3x5 index card, which is pretty common. So here's a 3x5 index card in comparison to the drive. So it's definitely shorter than that, but just a touch wider than a 3-inch index card. How easy are these to use? So I have this one also, the WD Passport. That's the first one that I bought, and it's so easy to use. And so you just plug it into your computer, and it'll bring up the folder on your desktop. You click the folder, install the drive, and it's ready to go. I've never had to do anything else with this other one. Of course, I haven't installed this one yet because you just watched me unbox it. But it's super easy, and then from then on, every time I plug this into my Mac, it brings up the file automatically. I don't have to do anything. And as soon as the file's on the desktop, I just double click, and then everything's there as I've ordered it. So the downside to external hard drives, this is just from experience from this one here. The first time that I downloaded this, which is the Passport, super fast. I mean, the download, it didn't matter how many gigabytes. I mean, it was like 100 megabytes a second was going down to it. So, but the more I have on here, I mean, I have hundreds of gigabytes now on this file. And so with each gigabyte that goes on it, it has slowed down. So when I first started editing video, I would offload the video files onto the external hard drive and then edit them from the external hard drive, and it was very fast, and it would keep up. So I used Adobe Premiere to do all that. But the more files I put on this, the slower and slower it got. And so what I did is I bought this SanDisk. So this is a Tiny Tim, and you can put that even on your put one of those clips through it, put it on your backpack, whatever you want to do. And this thing's really heavy duty too. It's got more of a rubber coating, but here it is, and compared to a 3x5 index card, just to show you. So that's the size of this. The only downside to this one is I read all the reviews and almost didn't buy it because it said that this thing got really hot when you were editing with it. It does get warm. I wouldn't define it as hot, and I've never had any problem with it, no matter how much strain that I put it on. It's a 1 terabyte, as you can see, and I'll link this one in the notes too, just in case this is a better solution for you. But this thing is lightning fast. And so what I do is I upload all my video files and audio files to this and edit the video through and through. And then once I'm done with that, I'll offload this onto the bigger drive and then free this one back up and repeat the process. And that allows me to edit as fast as possible, or at least I've not found a faster way to edit videos or pictures. But that brings us to, well, why did you buy this one? So I bought this one because it was the newest one. The Elements Portable. It's a little bit more economically friendly, friendly on your pocketbook than this one. And plus, once I get through editing, I need a big device to put all these on that I'm not going to edit from. So I'm not really worried about the speed. I just need to make sure that it has enough room for all the files. So this one's about as slow as I'm willing to take, but there's no, like I said, it's got hundreds upon hundreds of gigabytes of information on it. So I needed another one to offload from the SanDisk onto this one. So that's why I have this, and I'm looking forward to getting our latest episode put on that, freeing up my SanDisk so that I can start all over again. So let's talk about 3 benefits before we conclude the video. Number 1, it frees up space on my computer. I'm just always just uploading there, dropping things there, and then putting them on these drives. So my computer always has maximum amount of hard drive space, and therefore maximum amount of computer processing speed. So that's very important to me because time is everything, and I'm sure it's important to you as well. Number 2, it makes editing faster. When you have one of these drives to put it on, you don't have to worry about bogging down your computer. Your computer can just go and grab the files, whatever it needs, and edit, especially if you're using Adobe Premiere or iMovie or something like that to edit videos like I am. And then number 3, I think this is for everybody, video creators or maybe just somebody looking for a place to put something. It decreases anxiety. So if my computer crashes tomorrow and I lose everything on there, that's okay because, well, it's not okay. I don't want to buy another computer. But I know that I have all the files. So here's where all my work and my labor are on these drives. And if my computer crashes, I know I'll always have that. I'll always have those pictures and videos that I want to keep forever. Well, I hope this was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button. Maybe share it with somebody who's also in the market for one of these. And if you found this to be helpful, subscribe, and I'll be putting out some more reviews on things that I find useful later. Thanks a lot. See ya.